welcome. I see you. Why can't come? Why can't come over there? I want to say hi to everyone. Can we do emojis? Like chat.
Stop, please. This is court, okay? You need to sit down.
Say what now?
I don't know who that CCBS is.
I've got somebody on my screen that says the CCB''S.
It's Christy Carbetts.
Okay. And how are you related to this case?
I am a mentor to Heather. I've been at her previous court cases as well.
Okay. I don't recognize you. That doesn't mean anything. I didn't write your name down though. Payne, supplemental review hearing on this dependency case. It's been pending since 2018. Ms. Payne, you hold the record currently, the longest pending dependency case on my docket. We're conducting this review hearing virtually using Zoom, and we have the mother, Heather Payne, her child, the subject of the action, her case manager, Prentice Moore, her mentor, Christy Betts, the child's attorney and guardian ad litem, Ms. Schrock, and Ms. Payne's attorney, Ms. Morris. I had muted you, Ms. Payne, when Divinity was playing Indians and whatever. So,
Yes, sir. I apologize for that.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. You must have put a muzzle on her.
No, she's actually right here.
Okay. Okay. Divinity, you pretend like mom put a muzzle on you. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Scrivani, you may proceed on behalf of the petitioner.
Your Honor, as you indicated, this case has been going on since 2018. The court reunified with the mother back in February under an aftercare. We had a review hearing on that on August 21st. At that time, the department reported that the mother had not submitted any drug screens requested by the department or its providers, and that the court also ordered that there would be basically a goodbye visit between Divinity and the Searcies. That took place about 2 weeks ago, that visit. So that was taken care of. And then in the month of August, there were 3 drug screens on Ms. Payne. I believe one was an oral swab, one was a hair follicle drug screen, and then there was a urine drug screen as well, which I sent to Ms. Morris earlier this week or last week, I think. Those were all negative for controlled substances. And given the length of time that the child has been in the care of Ms. Payne, under the aftercare order at this time, the department contends it would be appropriate to terminate the aftercare order in this matter and close this case.
Who made that noise? Is that Ms. Payne?
No, it's Divinity. Sorry, Your Honor.
Okay. No, it sounded like somebody was excited, so I looked up thinking.
She is excited. She is excited.
Impressed that she understood what all that meant.
You know, Divinity is very intelligent, Your Honor.
You've told me that, and I believe you.
Yes. But
you have any objections to that proposal, Ms. Schrock?
No, sir, I don't.
Mr. Moore, is that what you want me to do?
Yes, sir, that's fine.
I thought you wanted me to let you hang on to this until you retired. You've completed, then I leave you in this case and then we keep it open. You sure you don't want to keep it open at least through 24?
No, sir.
Ms. Payne, you think it's about time to cut us all loose?
yes, sir.
Well, what am I going to do when I don't get to talk to you every other month or so?
Just know that me and Divinity are doing great. And I'll be sending you her pictures when they come in.
Okay. Well, tell me, where are you working now?
I'm at Burger King now.
Okay. Where were you the last time? I still remember the grocery store you were at and the pizza place, but I know you've been somewhere more recent than those.
Yeah, Burger King.
How long have you been at Burger King?
Several weeks now, like 3 weeks.
7 under.
Yeah,
No.
that's what I remember you when you.
Oh, Divinity talking about Seven Onda. Yes, sir.
No,
I remember you didn't much care for Seven Onda.
Well, I just it wasn't my cup of tea, but I remember going there with my wife years ago. But the last time I saw you in August, you were somewhere else. You weren't at Burger King, I don't think.
Public.
Publix. Okay, that's right.
Mom, I want to go to a different Publix.
Did you get a pay raise to go to Burger King?
No, but it's just closer and they can give me more hours.
Okay.
It's a 15-minute walk for me to work. And I don't have to depend on the bus.
Very good.
So it's just closer and easier.
Divinity, what grade are you in school?
Kindergarten.
All right. Are you making good grades? When the
Divinity's
teachers-
got all the S's. She's got really, really good grades. Her handwriting is very good for her age. And she was a bathroom monitor for 2 weeks in a row.
Great.
What I am?
You get ready to turn 6 on Saturday.
Saturday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Good job.
Divinity, tell me, when your teacher at school says quiet, everyone, do you get quiet or do you keep talking?
I get quiet.
Good. When mom says to get quiet, do you get quiet? Mom, do what you tell her to do?
No.
Good. I'm glad.
Right. Exactly.
Well, Ms. Morris, we don't want to leave you out. Anything you've got to add?
No, nothing that I have to add, but we do have a request that it sends cancellation notice to the doctor so that Miss Payne can get Divinity's past medical records.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
The doctor that Divinity has been with is the care of the department, and so the doctor can't release anything to Miss Payne because obviously they have the documentation that she's under the department's care. So we just ask that at the cancellation, we just send a copy of the order to the doctor so that the doctor can release her records to her.
Okay. You know, I've been doing this 38 years and nobody's ever asked about that. And I've never thought about it, but I've never had anybody ask me to notify a treating physician that they're no longer in the care of the department. Have you, Mr. Scarani?
That's what the doctor said, that they needed notice from the department that the child is no longer in there.
Can she just give them a copy of my order that terminates she's already got custody. She's had custody back.
The February 14th order returned custody to mom under an aftercare, and then after today, the order will terminate the case. So I don't know what else anybody would want.
I think that this order will suffice.
Well, if it doesn't, then let us know. But I'm treading on new ground because now, unless they want to take the position that before February, the legal custodian was the department and they need to turn over those old records to mom, they'd need DFACS's permission. But I mean, there's no problem. If I have to, I'll sign an order about that. But I don't know who this doctor is, but we've never had run into that issue before. Anyway,
Order works.
you're going to stay with that same doctor, Ms. Payne?
I'm staying with Dr. Kim. That was originally her doctor when this case started.
Okay.
And then it moved to the
you
one.
want to get the records. You want to get the records from the doctor that's been treating him to give the
Correct.
doctor. Okay.
Yeah, because I had called them at the doctor's office last time Divinity was seen, and they said that Mr. Moore would have to give them the okay to release her records.
Sure.
That's what they told my doctor and told me.
Mr. Moore, you'd be glad to do that, won't you?
Hey, sir, what's the name of Dr. Kim's doctor office, Ms. Payne?
Dr. Kim is the one she's going to go to.
Right.
Yeah, that's Divinity's current doctor.
Right. I need the name of that doctor so I can make sure Zoe Pediatrics send over whatever you need in terms of Divinity old records.
Oh, I thought Dr. Kim was the last name, but I guess it could be that you're calling her by him or her by their first name and you don't know the last name.
Yeah, I don't think I know the last name.
Ms. Betts, you took the time and trouble to show up today. Is there anything you want to tell me?
I don't have anything to add.
Don't tell me don't do it. But other than that, anything?
Nope, I don't have anything to add.
Ma'am?
I don't have anything to add. I talk to Prentice, Mr. Moore frequently, as well as Heather.
Okay. And Heather's doing well, in your opinion?
Yes, she is.
Good, good. We're very proud of her. She's worked very hard. She's overcome obstacles, and hopefully she won't have any more in the future. But if she does, hopefully she's equipped with the skills to overcome those as well. Right, Ms. Payne? We're
Yes,
counting
Your
on you.
Honor.
Most importantly, who's counting on you more than anybody else?
This one.
Yes, Divinity, number one. All right. Well, I'm going to grant the department's request and your request that they get out of your life. Their aftercare is terminated. You already had custody of your child. Now you have custody without any responsibility to anybody but to your daughter and yourself.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Thank you for all the hard work you've put in.
Thank you. It's been a long time coming.
It has. I started to keep you on my roll so you could spend more time on this case. You're getting
I
close.
think- How long has it been?
5 years.
5 years. It's a long, long time. A long time.
Divinity's grown up and you've grown up even more.
That's right.
Here.
Stop putting hair on me.
Yes.
Y'all take care.
Thank you,
Yes,
Your Honor.
thank you for coming, Ms. Morris. Thank you. Everybody else, Mr. Moore, if you would get with that doctor so he or she can
Don't do that.
get the records they need so they can take good care of Divinity. All right. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, y'all take care. Bye, Divinity.
Bye.
So
Take care of your mom.
You
Take
gonna take
care of your
care of me?
mom.
Good girl.